Hi friends, today our recipe is prawn biryani. This is an aromatic and tasty biryani. I used jeera rice for this biryani. Now let's start how to make. Around 500 grams rice, 2 cups. Wash and drain the rice, soaked it for 20 minutes. Deveined and clean the prawns around 500 grams. 1 tablespoon chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Garam masala 1/4 teaspoon. Cut the lemon, squeeze half teaspoon lime juice. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix the all masalas. Take 2 tablespoon curd. Marinated the prawns for half an hour. Keep it in refrigerator. In this step, the prawn will absorb all the masalas well. Take 4 onions cut like this. Heat a saucepan. Pour 4 tablespoon oil for frying the prawns. When placing the prawns, the flame should be high. Don't overcook the prawns. Half cooked prawns remove to a plate. All flavors are in this oil so that we use the oil for making masala. Now the prawns are perfectly cooked. Put chopped onions in this oil. Stir it, close with a lid. Turn the heat to low flame. Take a pressure cooker, add soaked rice. Add 2 teaspoon ghee. Stir it for a minute. I used 2 cup rice for 4 cup water. Make sure water must be hot. I am adding boiling water. Add whole spices. Add required salt. Close the lid and cook the rice. Add 3 teaspoon ginger garlic paste in the fried onions. When the raw smell go off in the ginger garlic paste, add sliced tomatoes. Bay leaves, chopped coriander and mint leaves. Half tablespoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon fennel powder. Half tablespoon coriander powder. Cook the masalas well. Add fried prawns in the sorted masala. Half cup curd add to this masala. If you like, 1 cup coconut milk can be added instead of curd. Mixed well. Add required salt. Squeeze remaining lime juice. Half teaspoon garam masala. Now the masala is ready to layering. Pour the oil in the bottom of the pan. Take 1 sliced tomato, place it in the bottom of the pan. Now starts to layering with rice. Now the rice is perfectly cooked. When you starts to layering, keep it in low flame. Layering the prawn masala. Do all the layer like this. Rice must be cooked in 70%. If you like fried onions, you can add it. Pour 1 teaspoon ghee. Sprinkle some garam masala. Chopped coriander and mint leaves, spread it. 1 teaspoon ghee spread over the rice. Close the pressure cooker. Don't put weight. Heat an iron pan. Place the cooker on it. Keep it in low flame for 15 minutes. Don't open it. If it cooked, rest it for 15 minutes. Now our tasty prawn biryani is ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.